AI reviews best air fryer toaster ovens in Canada, according to testing. There are days when you feel like cooking elaborate meals, and then there are days when you simply need something quick and easy. For the latter, air fryer toaster ovens are a must-have appliance for speedy meals. The Countertop gadget not only works as an air fryer and a toaster oven, but many models can also roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and rotisserie. Just add your meal ingredients to the device and tackle other things on your to-do list while it works its magic. To help you find the right air fryer toaster oven for your needs, we tested a variety of models in our test kitchen, rating each one based on their cooking performance, versatility, and ease of use and cleaning. After careful evaluation, we nominated the Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer as our winner because it cooks evenly, doesn't take up too much space, and offers a nice variety of cooking functions. Keep scrolling to learn more about the best air fryer toaster ovens we recommend for busy home cooks. Best Value Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Hamilton Beach Shook Crisp Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This under $100 model impressed us during testing, especially when it came to air frying. It has a basic control panel with 3 knobs that are easy to operate and a small footprint that's still large enough to fit a 12-inch frozen pizza. In our tests, it was one of the few that was able to bake a uniformly melted pizza in addition to making evenly colored toast. Wings and fries also crisped up quickly, nicely and evenly in our air fryer tests. The air fryer toaster oven comes with a metal mesh basket for air frying, a broil rack and a baking tray. It has a 30-minute timer, a stay-on setting so you can cook food for longer than 30 minutes or set your own timer and auto shoot off. Take note that it's a little tricky to set an exact timer because the time increments are denoted in units of 5, so there are no specific markings for the individual minutes. Most versatile air fryer toaster oven. COSORI 12-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo. All the tests we conducted in the COSORI air fryer toaster oven combo, from air fry to bake, received top scores. It produced crispy wings and fries, toasted bread well and evenly, and made a very good cake that was evenly browned and level. It even nicely browned our steak on the broil function, which is a feature that really impresses us when done well. It has a large capacity and footprint, but doesn't feel bulky compared to some others with the same capacity. It also offers an intuitive control panel that's easy to navigate. It comes with high-quality accessories, including an extra-large baking/broiling pan, an air fryer rack and a rotisserie spit for chicken and other roasts. It also has the ability to dehydrate, i.e., cook on low temps for a long time, and to ferment, which allows you to keep the oven at one low temp for a long time so you can make things like yogurt, though we'd recommend using an oven thermometer, too, if you plan on using it for yogurt to play it extra safe. The one downside is wings took about 20 minutes longer to cook than other air fryer toaster ovens we tested. Plus it requires an extra 6 minutes to preheat. The results, however, were worth it. Crispy, juicy and even chicken wings. Best air fryer toaster oven for easy storage. Ninja Foodi Digital Air Fry Oven. The Ninja Foodi Air Fry Oven has one of the largest air frying racks we tested, measuring in at 13 by 13 inches. It offers a large amount of cooking space, including being able to comfortably fit 9 pieces of toast at one time. But the machine is squat and can't fit an entire chick in like most of the air fryer toaster ovens and toaster ovens we tested. The most appealing feature is that it swivels upward for storage so it won't take up your counter space. Plus, when stored upright, the bottom of the oven can be released for cleaning so you can easily wipe it down. In our tests, the Ninja Foodi Air Fry Oven air-fried crispy, evenly cooked wings and fries. It also toasted bread evenly and made a gorgeously browned cake and level cake. The control panel is simple to operate with easy-to-read settings.
The 10-in-1 Instant Omni Plus Air Fryer Toaster Oven is an excellent kitchen companion. It's overall easy to use and cooks up delicious and consistent results, but the appliance runs a little noisy and gets hot. Fries and tater tarts are my absolute favorite thing to make in the air fryer, taking half the time they did in the oven, and of course, taking away some of the guilt that comes with deep frying. Several different potato types have made it into this air fryer, and while it becomes a trial and error to figure out the timing to get your perfect crispy fry, once you get the setting right, it's perfect. I put some shoestring fries in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit/204 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and it was more than enough time to turn these guys extra crispy. Next time, I'll subtract a minute or two to get them that perfect crisp on the outside and moist on the inside. Fried chicken. To further show off the air fryer's prowess, of course, I had to try fried chicken, a de facto recipe to make in your air fryer. My recipe used panko crumbs and quickly became perfectly crispy and golden, though a thicker piece did need an extra minute to cook. This recipe does get messy as the breadcrumbs had a habit of settling onto the enamel tray below, especially when having to flip each piece halfway. The air fry basket easily fit 3 pieces of chicken. We were meal prepping, so the 10-minute intervals weren't too much of a pain to do it one more time over. Having the chance to tinker with both the Instant Omni Plus toaster oven and the Instant Vortex Plus, my heart lies with the Vortex Plus. Of course, if you are after a toaster oven-style air fryer and lured by the ability to make rotisserie chicken at home, well, go ahead, add this right to your cart. The rotisserie feature is a unique option, but the verdict is really up to you if it's a feature you'll use. For myself, I found it messier and more time-consuming than just picking up a rotisserie at the grocery store, but it did come out undeniably superior.
Best overall air fryer toaster oven. Cuisinart Toast 65 Digital Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer. This air fryer toaster oven has topped our best tested list for several years, and you can get 1 to 2 day shipping with Amazon Prime. It toasts bread quickly and evenly, bakes gently and air fries the quickest with no additional preheat time. In our test, it made chicken wings super crispy in 20 minutes, as well as French fries in even less time. Its power is impressive and its results are comparable to the best standalone air fryers. Just keep an eye on food when experimenting the first few times to prevent accidentally burning your food. We also recommend air frying at a slightly lower temperature than you're used to until you get a sense for this model. It's powerful. In the toaster oven portion of our test, bread toasted well and cake baked quickly with just a small dome that needed to be trimmed. The best toaster ovens cook a level cake. Frozen pizza cooked in barely any time, as did broiled steak. The oven comes with a user guide loaded with cooking charts and recipes. Plus, the oven is programmed with more than 10 settings, 5 of which are specific to air frying.